9th of November, in Panjim, there will be an event hosted by Yoska in association with Goa Tourism, which is named as Ironman 70.3, and this is the 5th edition. In that concern with regard to traffic, I would like to give some advisory to the public and the commuters who will be traveling on that 9th of morning till afternoon. There will be road closure and certain diversions in Panjim till Bambolim, then till the Verna Sharayu Junction. So request all the people to adhere to the diversions proposed in the video, and please cooperate and follow traffic rules and be safe. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.